Ladies and gentlemen, Umkhulu is about to have a new wife, and I'm here wondering how is Mabusi going to feel when this news reach her ears. So guys, I'll create two videos, but they'll both be about the same topic. On this video, I want to give you guys a brief background of Sphamandla's new potential wife, and then on the other video, it will be a normal video that I usually create on this channel. So let's start with this one. Umkhokha The Curse is a new cast member, and her character name is Sphamandla, a daughter of Gajeni. If you're an Umkhokha fan, you'll know that Ndlovu has many wives, so I'm not sure which wife is Sphamandla's mom. We'll find out when this process starts to show on our small screens. The character of Sphamandla is played by Ngubeni, and you guys will correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that I've seen Snoguhle on The Queen as one of K's friends when K used to play a character of Siyamthanda there on The Queen. I'm not sure. She also appeared on the first episode of Adulting. If you have watched the first episode of the first season of Adulting, you'll remember the sex scene of Bonga and that girl with nice boobs and big ass. Aha! Now that girl is Ngubeni, and her latest gig was on TV's recently cancelled Nigiwe. She was playing a character of Z there, so it's her that you are seeing on our screens right now. I feel so bad that all along I didn't notice her. I did watch and enjoyed watching her on Nigiwe, but I didn't really take her character seriously. Now that she's about to play such a big role on Umkhokha, I feel like she deserves to be recognized. Remember Umkhokha is the most watched show on Mzansi Magic, and she's about to compete with a highly anticipated actress Hope Mpele, and she'll also be playing along with Name Ups. So I believe that Umkhokha will be her break. Her performance on this show will determine her future on our South African small screen. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, please comment on the comment section and let me know what do you think about this particular topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.